Hello, I am Mariana, manager of PrintBoost company. We have a digitalization system for the printing houses. And now I'm going to demonstrate our system. First, I want to show how to create an order. An order can be created either by a client on the website or by a manager from their account. First, I'm going to show how a printing house employee can create an order. To do this, you need to click the Create Order button. On the order creation page, we select the client. Then we go to choosing the product category, for example, business cards. Select the product, double-sided business cards. Select the product type with lamination. Select the format or enter our own size. Now we enter the print run 96 pieces and select the production time, for example, fast. All this data and names depends on the product settings. I'm going to talk about this later. Click the Calculate button. After the calculate, the system shows the cost of the product and the estimated completion date. You can view the calculation logs. Additionally, information is displayed about how much material are going to be used. For an employer with appropriate access, the production cost and probably profit also display. We add the product to the cart. When the product is added to the cart, the option to upload a design files appears. The system shows the verification results. Now we can see that one of these pictures not correct. One order can contain several products. We click the Place an Order button and go to the page where we specify the payment method and delivery details. You can give the order your own name and leave a comment. We click the Create Order button and the order card opens. Since during order creation we selected the fast production time, the order and production tasks are going to be marked with a suitable label. Now we can proceed to its production. If necessary, you can print a technological card with all production details. By following the QR code link, an employee can open the order page on their phone after logging into the browser. An order can be sent to production in two ways. The first way, to pay for it. This can be done either by the client from their account or the manager from their account. The second way, to send it to production by changing its status. This can only be done by the manager who works with this order. Now, the tasks that were generated according to the steps of the technological card become available for execution in the task manager. First, the task from the pre-press stage is available, namely checking the design file. When the employee starts working on the task, they change its status from new to in progress. After completing the task, in order to unlock the next task, the task status must be changed to done. After completing the pre-press task, the printing task are unlocked. When finishing the printing task, a model window opens showing how much material is going to be written off from the warehouse. If the amount is greater than the calculated one, this value can be corrected and the reason for the deviation left in a comment. Then the post-press task become available, lamination and cutting. And the chain of task is completed by logistics task, packaging and delivery. After completing the packaging task, a sticker is generated for identifying the packaging product. The movement of materials during production and their stocks levels are displayed in the warehouse section. When the stocks of material in the warehouse approaches the minimum stock value set in its card, the system highlights this in red. This makes it easier to understand which items need replenishment. It's also possible to record material cutting, write-offs, and receipts. Now, let's move on to the libraries, which contain information about the print shop's equipment and the materials used in production. In a separate section of the library, the process required for product manufacturing are collected. The cost of the process, the amount of material, its weight, and the production time are determined according to formulas. All these elements are then combined into production algorithms. Production algorithms are needed to create the product's technological code. All products of the print shop are collected in catalogs. This section contains all products of the print shop. I want to explain right away that in the system it's currently possible to create products that differ by printing type. Sheet printing products, stickers on sheets, roll stickers with a model roll print, books with a model books. For example, let's take a sheet printing product. I want to emphasize separately that the product card has quite a lot of settings, which are responsible both for the availability of this product for ordering and for the SEO data of the product page for search system. A product can be with a technological card, without a technological card, in stocks for selling ready-made goods. I also want to show how a configured product technological card looks. So, this product defines the details it consists of and the established algorithm for their production. I also want to talk about the roles that are assigned to employees. For example, an employer with this role only will be able to see tasks from the logistics section and work with them. To place an order through the website, you can find this product in the catalog or through searching. For example, it can also be business cards. Next, you need to choose the type and production time and specify the print run. When the system calculates the cost and production time, you can add it to the cart. Then it automatically goes into the internal system of the print shop from where it follows the same path as showed earlier. We have now taken, so to speak, a quick tour of the system, and I will be glad to answer your question.